What's up, Eric? Erica, I mean, sorry. First time, Elena. Okay, all right, all right, all right. So we got some decently new people. What up, Jenna? Okay, so awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go to the second question. Second question is, let me hear where are you calling from? Okay, where you call representing your city, your state, your country, your region. Like, let me see where you guys are calling in from. All right, so we got people from Kelowna, Toronto, Van City, Jamaica, Toronto, Ottawa, Surrey, Calgary, Bahamas, Delta, BC, Vancouver, Calgary. Very, very nice, very nice. Brampton, Ontario. All right, good, good, good. Awesome, you guys. We have people from all around the world, Bahamas, lots of Bahamas people here. Edmonton, we got LA in the house. Venezuela. Wow, really? Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, guys. So also my third question for whoever's on my session, if you catching pips, you want to drop some 777 to the chat if you caught, if you catch any kind of amount of pips trading with me. So that all the new people can see that we're catching pips all week long. All right, what up, Garmin? All right, so okay, okay, awesome, awesome, guys. Look at that, guys. What up, Rich? There's Rich there. Congratulations to Rich for reaching Platinum 2000. Very, very nice. Good job, brother. There we go. There we go. We got lots of people making money on my session, and all thanks to our academy. Right? It's not just me. It's I got to give a shout out back to the academy for everything I've done. And I hope that you guys have the same amount of success as I did. All right, guys. So you guys are in the right academy. All right, cool, awesome. So now let's get going right away. We're gonna go over. We're gonna go over the disclaimer, like usual, right? Like usual, we have to do that. Compliance. All right. All right, guys. So remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I do not guarantee result. Okay. The following are trade ideas. And they're for educational purposes only. Okay. When you're trading, please use proper risk management. I only recommend risking 3 to 5%, max 5% of your account in any given trade. Even better if you can risk only 3 to 5% a day. Okay, so professional trader they don't even risk 3 to 5% per trade. They probably risk like 1%, right? So the more comfortable you guys gonna get, the better entry you guys can enter. Then you don't have to be risking 5% of your account, right? The lower amount of risk that we can take, the better it is. All right, and so here is my risk management. For whoever is new, if you guys don't have this is the risk management that I am doing. Okay, 0.01 per $100 in your account, and that is for Forex pair. Okay, so if you have $500, then 0.04. Okay, maximum 5 trade. Okay, maximum 5 trade in your account at one time. Unless you move your stop loss in profit, then you can go ahead and take up another trade. All right, guys. Don't have too many trades open, then a risky trade, because anytime that your trade is not the stop loss is not in profit, then that trade is still at risk. So until then, try not to open up too many trades. Okay, guys. So for anyone that doing twin trading, this is an example of twin trading. If you have $1,000 in your account, you will split up your lot size into 2, right? Because remember, if you have 1,000, you can do a 0.10 lot size, which is $1 a pip. But because you're going to be doing it, you can do twin trading, so you're going to split that lot size into 2. So it's going to be 0.05, 0.05, 2 separate trades, but on the same pair. Okay. So 10 to 15 pips in profit, move your stop loss into profit of 2 pips. So then it becomes a stop profit, right? So when your stop loss is in the negative, then it's a stop loss, because if the price hit that, you're going to lose money. But once your stop loss is in profit, and the price come back and hit it, you're either break even or maybe 1 pip or whatever it is, or half a pip, right? So that's the first thing that you guys should be looking for, is moving your stop loss into profit. All right. So now for twin trading, you have two trades, right? So your first trade, okay, you wanna put a take profit, right? You wanna put a take profit. For example, this one here is 30 pips, right? You can do 20 pips, 10 pips, whatever you want. All right. So your first order, you want to do a 30 pips in this example. On your second trade, you would do a trailing stop profit, right? You do a trailing stop profit all the way up and see if you can catch more than just 30 pips, okay? And the first order, you leave that alone, right? Whatever happened, you leave that alone. If it's going to hit your take profit 3, which is 30 pips, then it is what it is. You want to secure that bag. But your second trade, as a trader, as a retail trader like us, that is where we can go and see if we can catch more than 30 pips. All right, because we can see sometimes these trades can go for 100 pips, right? So twin trading, I find, is very important or very useful for taking your greed away, right? A lot of people, when they get to like 25 pips in profit, they move their stop loss in profit, and then they remove their take profit, and they want to catch more pips. So what happened is that when price come back, knock them out the profit, and they feel like, well, I just lost some money because I could have closed it at 25 or 30 pips, but I didn't, right? So by doing this way, it will eliminate some of your greed away from your trade, okay? 30 pip stop loss, no matter what. That's one of the rules that I learned from my mentor. 30 pip stop loss, let's say I use 0.01 per $100. That's about 2 to 3% risk on my trade, okay? 30 pip stop loss. Of course, some people can do a bigger stop loss if they want, but if you're using anything bigger than 30 pip stop loss, then you want to use 0.01 per $200 in your account, right? Okay. And if you're going to use a bigger stop loss than that, I don't recommend, right? If you're not going to be using a 70 pip stop loss or 100 pip stop loss, that's just too much. All right. Yeah, that's right, Rich. I'm one person away from Platinum 1000, and thank you, brother. I got a few people that signed up through our conversation last time on YouTube. So thank you so much for getting me exposed to to everyone around me, or to people around the world. That's what my goal is, right? My goal is to be able to help everyone that I know or somebody know on my team or from IML Academy to understanding trading and be a profitable trader. All right. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. And we're going to go over some of the trades that we did yesterday on my bonus session. Okay, guys. So GBP-AUD, who took profit in this one, you guys? If you took profit on GBP-AUD yesterday, put a 888 into the chat. If you took profit on GBP-AUD yesterday. All right. Okay, good. That's it. Just 3 people. This one was a total drop of 175 pips. Okay, 175 pips for GBP-AUD. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 people that cash out on GBP-AUD. So congratulations to you guys for taking the trade. All right. So next trade we have GBP-NZD. All right, so let me hear who hit GBP-NZD yesterday. If you hit GBP-NZD yesterday, drop a 7777. If you hit GBP-NZD yesterday. Nobody? Oh, I guess I'm the only one that got it then. All right, no problem. That's a total of 155 pips, you guys. 155 pips on GBP-NZD. Okay, let's go over to GBP-JPY. Okay. So let's see if you catch GBP-JPY. So if you caught GBP-JPY, drop a 99999 into the chat. If you caught GBP-JPY. Awesome. There you go. You guys like GJ, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Nobody like GN. You guys like GA. GN does have a bigger spread though, right? So a lot of times people don't want to take it because it's about five pip spread, right? But that one there went a total of 50 pips, right? You could have caught at least 30, but this one here went to about 55, 54, 55 pips. All right. Okay. So next one. We didn't do this one here. EuroCat, we didn't do that one either. GBP Cat. Okay, GBP Cat. So if you caught GBP Cat yesterday, drop a 333 into the chat that you caught GBP Cat. Potential 87 pips. So congratulations to you guys for whoever caught GBP CHF. Sorry, not Cat. GBP CHF. Okay, awesome. Okay, so GB USD. GB USD didn't really move much yesterday, but it did still went to about 20 pips. So if you caught GB USD yesterday, drop a 111 to the chat. If you caught some pips in GB USD. Awesome. So it's about 20 pips, right? It didn't really move as much as the other pair, but there's profit there to be made for sure. Okay, so this one here is GBP Cat. Okay, GBP Cat here yesterday. So if you caught GBP Cat yesterday, drop a 444 into the chat. This is a potential 80 pips drop. Good job, Brent. Nicola, good job. Remember, this was a sell limit, right? This was a sell limit yesterday. Okay. Awesome. Good job, Devin. Good job, Patrick. Very good job. Well done there, right, guys? AUD-USD, we didn't do that one, but that one went really good. Euro-USD, let's go look at Euro-USD. Okay. Euro-USD yesterday, which is same as GB-USD, right? It didn't really go too well. This one here went about, 20 pips, right? So if you move your stop loss in profit, that one there, you should at least break even. Nobody should be losing money on that one right there. Okay, Euro GBP. Okay, so if you caught Euro GBP yesterday, drop some 333 into the chat. This one went for 59 pips. 59 pips. That's right. There you go. Good job. Right. This was Euro GBP yesterday. Pretty much barely any drawdown. Price came up, came back to retest, and then boom, gone to the moon. All right. Next one, let's look at US 30. US 30 was a tricky one. So if you guys are brave, US 30 was a really good payout, right? So let me see if you caught US 30. If you caught US 30, drop US 30 into the chat. You caught US 30. 170 points on US 30. Nobody? All right, no problem, right? A lot of us are new, right? So US 30 could be intimidating. Okay, so but the thing is, always try to put it in, even in your demo, right? On your demo, put them in, right? So you can have experience even with your demo. Okay, so I guess we got two of them trade. Two Pippin Crazy and Kim. You guys got that one. Awesome. Congratulations for catching that. Okay, so here's gold. What's my thing? All right, so here's a gold trade yesterday, guys. Okay, so gold yesterday, pretty much we went to a buy, right? So gold did hit TP, the TP that we set out to, which is 192 points, right? So you guys should have got paid there on gold already. Okay, even here, right? We didn't enter here, but if like this candle here went up and hit TP, right? So if you didn't cash out or you didn't move your stop loss in profit, then when price reversed, you would have got stopped out, right? Our stop loss was right here. You would have got stopped out, okay? And then also in the today, gold dropped and hit our TP3 or TP on the sell as well, right? So you guys got the sell on gold. Potential there was about 509 points, okay? Or at worst was 180 points. Okay, so if you caught gold, drop gold to the chat that you caught gold. Nafis, you got gold. I'm gonna make you a co-host, Nafis. Hang on a second here. 82 members on the channel tonight, guys. 82 people. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Where's the fees? I don't see his name. 1 second, guys. Oh, there you go. All right, there you go, Nafis. You are co-host. There you go. All right. All right, Kim, you got on gold? Yes, yes, good. Awesome, awesome, guys. Okay, so let's get going. We're gonna get going to the session right now. We're gonna be looking at Forex Factory, right, guys? Always fundamental. Go check the news. First thing you want to do is understanding what's going on in the market, any kind of news coming out. So Forex Factory, come down to here. You can see London session open in about an hour and 40 minutes. Right? Currently, we're on the Asia session, okay? And the Asia session is going to end in about 3 hours and 40 minutes. So we are trading the overlapping of the Asia session and the New York session and the London session. All right, guys? So let's go up here and let's look at some news. Let's see if coming anything important that we need to look for. A lot of Euro news coming out. So 12:15 my time, right? Right now, my time is 10:20. So right when the London session opened, the euro currency is going to have some sort of news. This French, German. So we can expect that market going to be making a lot of move in the euro pair. Okay. Second one is Forex. Currency strength meter. This is where we can check the strength meter of certain pair. If you are selling GBP, you want the GBP to be weak. If you're buying GBP, you want the GBP pair to be strong, right? That's just a concept of it. And when you're buying GBP, you want GBP to be strong. You want whatever pair you're trading with to be weak, all right? And if you're selling, it's the other way, right? If you're selling, then you want the pound to be weak. And for example, if you're selling the pound to the US dollar, then you want the pound to be weak and the US dollar to be strong. All right. All right. Wow. Yeah. 85 people on our session. Wow. Unreal, you guys. Very, very grateful to have you guys on my session. This I love doing this. So when I see a lot of people come on, I get really excited. All right. So let's go. My favorite pair, GBP USD.
We're starting.
Sorry. Is that Leah? Who's that? Okay, well, anyway. All right, we're going to be looking at this pair right here, GBP USD. One of my favorite pair to trade. All right, so we're going to use this right here as our trap. Okay, I'm going to measure that. It's about 18 pips. Let's make it a little bit bigger so we don't get pulled into a fake out. All right. So what I'm doing my chart right here, I always look to the left, right? I want to see if any kind of resistance and support right there. And by looking at there, I can see, right? I can see, maybe I can make it like that, okay? So by looking into my left, because history always repeats itself, right? Okay, so it's 20 pips. Right here is about 28 pips. Okay, I just don't want to get pulled into a fake out, right? So boom, 28 pips, perfect. I like that. And I'll make my lines. Okay, I make my lines. This is going to be my trap, right? Maybe a little bit higher. Okay. So now once I create my trap, I don't need that anymore. And so this is what I'm looking at, right? I'm looking at this section right here as a zone. Okay, I'll change that to red. All right, so always have two lines, right? Because just imagine your wall, right? Your wall has two sides, right? Inside is like what do you call that thing? I'm not a construction guy. What is it? I can't remember what is it. Something in between, right? The wall, you have the wall, and you have like the foam inside, and you have the outer wall, right? So we have to make sure that we have two lines, so we can have some kind of cushion in the middle there, because you don't want to get into a fake out. All right. And what is a fake out? Fake out is like this: the candle will peek out, and then it came back, leave a wick. That to me, that's a fake out, right? Oops. Oh, what the heck? Not green. I don't like green. I like teal. There you go. All right. So we're gonna look to buy. I'm gonna put alarm right here. Very, very easy stuff, you guys. Just dropping the price. It's just like you going to grabbing, right? You go hunting. Okay. So we're hunting right now. Sometimes I just want to make it nice and perfect. Okay, so today's the 20th. All right. Okay, so we are looking to buy up here and we're looking to sell down here, right? So if we are buying here, okay, and if you're using a 30 pip stop loss, you don't even need it because this is a 24 pip stop loss. If price come down to here, no point of holding it, right? No point of holding it, okay? Because that's this. If the price gonna go all the way back into the box, most likely it's gonna go, through the other side into a sell. Okay, so you can use this as stop loss here, or you can use the buy entry, the sell entry here as stop loss. And same thing with a sell. So if you're selling here, your stop loss can either be here or here. Okay, so this right here, GBUSD is under 30 pips. So if you're using a 0.01 per $100, you're not risking more than 3% of your account. All right. Trading is all about risk over reward, right? The minimum we want to risk is 1-to-1. ROR, 1-to-1 minimum. A lot of people talk about, yeah, I want to go for 4-to-1, 5-to-1, 10-to-1. But the first thing is you always got to calculate how much you want to start off with. I'm risking 1-for-1. And then once your trade is in profit, now you move your stop loss in profit, then you're risking zero for something. You're risking nothing, right? So that is our goal. Our goal is to be able to risk nothing for something. Okay. So I got my alarm clock right there, and I'm going to do my take profits. I'm going to give you guys one take profit only. Okay. The take profit is going to be 30 pips. So you guys can close the trade anytime you are in profit, anytime you want. You just take the profit. You can. You do not have to go for my TP, my take profit, right? You can always go for 10, 20, or whatever pips, right? If you're happy with 10 pips, take 10 pips. If you're happy with 20 pips, take 20 pips. Okay? So I'm just gonna give you one TP, and you guys gonna have to go, catch your own fish, right? Whatever amount of pips you guys want to catch is all up to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna look for my GBUSD. I don't know why I don't remember exactly how many spread that is. I believe it's like one spread. Okay, so one spread. So 122, right? Our entry is going to be a 1.22170, right? So plus 31 pips, okay? Plus 31 pips. So it's going to be 480, right? 480 is going to be our take profit. Okay? And let's say, for example, if you do the math and then all of a sudden you say, well, how come it's so big? You're not sure. You can measure it and see if you did the math correctly. Okay, so that's going to be our take profit right there. And we're also going to have a sell take profit. Okay, so if we are selling, then of course we got a minus, right? We got a minus from entry. So we are selling at 21.21883. So we're gonna minus 31 pips from there, right? So 573. Okay, 573 is gonna be our take profit for GBP USD. Okay. So this trade here is about, you can use 30 pip stop loss or you can use the opposite entry. This trade here, honestly, 2 to 3% risk. Okay, 2 to 3% risk in the trade. Okay. GBP/USD, May 20th. We are looking to buy at 1.22170, and our take profit is going to be 1.22480. Okay, and our stop loss. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a stop loss where the sell entry is because it's under 30 pips. So we're going to use 1.21883. Oh, my goodness. 1 point. It's looking like it's breaking out, right? 1.21883. Okay, so that's less than 30 pips stop loss, about 25, 26 pips or whatever it is. And the sell entry, we're looking to sell this at 1.21883. And our take is looking like it's going to break out right now, but it's still very early, so just hold your horse, okay? Don't enter the trade too early because we want to wait for the market to open for a London session, right? 1.21573. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be 1.22170, right? So if you're selling, then your stop loss is going to be where your buy is. If you're buying, your stop loss is where your sell is. If you lose on a buy, you know where price is going. It's going to a sell. If you lose on a sell, you know already where price is going. It's going to a buy. So if you lose on a sell, get it back on a buy. If you lose on a buy, get it back on a sell. But of course, we do not want to do that, right? We want to go into one directions, and there's no taking losses. Okay, so but not every day is going to be no losses, right? It's going to be days that you might have to take a loss. Okay, but we're only risking 3 to 5% of 3 to 5% of our account max. All right, so I'm going to send you guys this chart setup right now. Okay, you can't hear? Can you hear? Can you guys hear me? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome. I'm going to uncheck these guys here so then we don't get confused. All right, so that's GBP/USD. The second pair we're going to be looking at is Euro GBP. All right, Euro GBP went decent yesterday, right? 59 pips. And we're going to be trapping this as well. All right, looking good. 24, 25 pips. Perfect. We want that. Okay. We want to risk a minimum risk. Right? Who here agree with me? 25, 30 pips stop loss. If you're gonna take a hit, it's not gonna kill your account, right? There you go. And if you're risking 35% of your account and you're trying to gain 35% of your account, if you're 60% trader, you're making money already. 60%. Okay? No question asked. But of course, you want to be more than just a 60% trader, right? But worst come to worst, 60%. That's not too bad. All right, I'm gonna measure one more time just to make sure. All right. Okay, that's about 30 pips. Perfect. I like it. Buy entry, sell entry, put alarm. So that way, if price do go, it will alert me so I can see it. All right, and our take profit, boom, boom. 1, 2. Okay. All right. So your GPP, I think is about 1 pip spread for me as well. So let's go with. So we're looking to buy this at 0.89911, right? So we're gonna add 30 pips onto that plus 1 pip for a spread. So that's 31 pips. So it's gonna be 0.90221. Okay, and that's gonna be 30 pips. All right. Same thing as a sell. We're looking to sell this at 0.89595, right? So our take profit for this one is going to be 0.89285. So that's going to be 30 pips plus 1 pip for our broker. Okay. All right, there we go. There we go. So let's see. EG right here. Okay, so we are looking to buy at 0.89911. Okay, and our take profit is going to be 0.90221. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be the opposite end of our entry because we measured it. It's only 30 pips, so 0.89595. Okay, 0.89595. Okay, that's risking 3%, right? We're looking to sell this at 0.89595, and our take profit is going to be 0.89285. Oops. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be 0.89880. There you go. We got Euro GPP right there, you guys. So mark it up on your chart. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my chart as well on my big screen here so that I can see everything while we're doing work. Worst thing to do is miss something, right? So let's see. So this one is euro, this one is GBUSD. We're going to sell this at 1.21883. Oh, and we're looking to buy this at 1.22170. There we go. All right, so my GBP USD is up on the board, and we're going to monitor that. Euro GBP right here, Euro GBP, let's move it up. $0.89911. All right, second one, 0.89595. All right. Okay, so remember, you guys have two options, right? You guys can either enter the trade on the break, or you want to enter the break and enter the trade on the retest. Okay, so we got Euro GBP, GBP USD. Okay. Okay, GBP UD. Let's look at this one here. This one here is about 46 pips. Okay. So for this one here, we're not going to use 48 pips stop loss, obviously. If you guys are not comfortable with 46 pips stop loss, then you guys can just do 30 pips stop loss. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's measure this one here. GPUD, honestly, I really like GA, the way it moves yesterday. It's pretty big move, right? So if we can catch the same kind of move today, you guys should be, cashing out a lot of pips if GA, make a move like yesterday. All right, so this is going to be GPUD here, and I'm going to make my take profit and for a buy, and also take profit for a sell. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. GPU is about 3 pips spread for me and GA. So 1.85339. It's going to be our take profit for GA. for sell. So our buy is going to be 1.86654. For a second there, I kind of forgot what I'm doing here. Oh yeah. G chef. Let's go G chef here. AUD. GBAUD. We're looking to buy at 1.86324. 1.86324. Okay, and our take profit is going to be 1.86654. Okay, and the stop loss, we're going to use a 30 pip stop loss because you don't want, unless you want to use the opposite end of the entry, which is about 40 something, 50 pip stop loss, right? So I'm going to give you guys a stop loss of 30 pips. Okay, just anybody that new, you don't want to be risking anybody's account. So 1.86024. It's going to be 30 pip stop loss for the buy, and the sell, we're looking to sell at 1.85669, and our take profit is going to be 1.85339. Okay, GU is crossing down. So our stop loss can be 1.85969. Let's see what my chat is. My chat's right here. All right, there we go. Okay, GU got activated. Okay, well, GU is coming down, but it is a little bit early. Okay, so keep that in mind. It is a little bit early. London session doesn't open for another hour, so it could be one of those fake outs. But who knows? Sometimes prices go early, right? So just keep an eye on it.
GBP USD sell.
Okay, so this one GA.
USD.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
make a mark right here in GA.
Just broke through the trap.
Okay, it's GA. That's a GBAUD. I'm gonna move GBAUD right here. Pound dollar GBAUD. All right. I'm just marking up my second chart, right? So you guys do the same thing, right? You guys, when you guys see my number, you guys all you guys gotta do is go into your charts and mark it up. Okay. So 1.86324. Right. And then you put your alarm there, right? So when price get near that level, then the alarm will go off. 85669. GA. Okay, and let's go and see GN.
Yo, what's up, buddy?
2 more months in your tournament tag, bro.
GN look good too, but we'll come back to GN in a second. GJ. GPCHF. Let's measure this. 18 pips. 32 pips. All right, 32 pips. GBCHF. A lot of people like GBCHF. Okay. All right, so GU pull back a little bit there, right? So whoever got on GU, it pulled back just a little bit. Don't get scared, right? Don't get scared at all. Okay. All right. So we'll go G Chef. All right, so G Chef, this is the zone I'm looking at. All right, GBCHF. All right, here we go. GBCHF, guys. Let's do the market for that one. All right, so quick question. The first currency mean it's going to beat the second currency, right? The first currency, what it means is that you want to be buying when it's strong, right? When you want to, because let's say for example you're buying GBP pair. Let's say you buy GBP over the GBP CHF. So what it means is that you want the pound to be going up in value, and then you want the chef to go down in value, right? So you're buying one strong currency and you wait for that currency to go up, and the second currency you want it to be weak, so then that currency to go down. Therefore, there's a big gap difference, right, between the two currency exchange, and that's where you can make money on, right? The bigger the move, the more money you make. Okay. If you're gonna be buying, say, let's say GBCHF, and they both equally in strength, things might not be moving at all, right? So. What is it? GBCHF, I believe it's about 2 pips. All right, so same thing, 2 pips. We're looking to buy at 1.18151. So we're gonna add 32 pips. So it's gonna be 471 for the buy entry for the take profit. And the sell, we are looking at 1.174. 1.17438. Okay, it's going to be our take profit for the sell. All right, and I'm going to mark it right here for you guys to see. 18151. And our take profit is going to be 1.84 471. And our stop loss, okay, let's measure that one more time. I believe the stop loss we can use, let's just use 30 pips to be safe. So 30 pip stop loss is going to be 1.80851. Okay, so that's 30 pip stop loss there, you guys. And all star entry, we're looking to sell at 1.177758. And our take profit is going to be 1.17438. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be 1.17. So stop loss, so 1.178,058. Okay, our stop loss could be 1.178058. 1.173727. I'm 172 extra there. 1.717805123. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna redo that one. 1.17858. Okay, there you go, guys. That's proper right there. Sometimes you get a little bit confused, right? That's all. That's normal. Chat. Yeah, the TP is 30 pips. So you can get out at 10 pips, 20 pips, up to you. But I'm gonna give you guys 30 pips take profit. You can get out anytime you want, right? 10 pips, 20 pips, it's up to you guys, okay? GBCHF, right? We're looking at GBCHF. Yeah, this is May 20th. Okay. TP is incorrect. How come it's incorrect? 84471, 142 extra there, right? 1.84, 1.18, 1.18471, 1.18. Oh, I did write you guys wrong. Okay, so stop loss. Hang on, guys. Let me redo this one here. 1.18. 1.17. 851. Right? 1.17851, 1.18151. Okay, so that's right there. Sell entry 1.17758. Take profit 1.17438. Stop loss 1.17853. Okay. Okay, so copy that. Disregard the last one, guys. Yeah, good eyes, you guys. Sometimes I make mistake writing it, right? Punching it in. So good eyes. Right there. GBCHF, that should be the correct one right there. Okay. So you guys saying that GBP USD is hit? What does it say? Let's see. Yeah, it's still an entry, no problem. What I'm looking for, for me, is I can either enter on a break. If I'm doing by myself, I can look to enter on a break, or I want to see if this price is going to break below. Once the price break below, I do a sell limit right here or here, right? Sell limit here or sell limit here. Okay, so you can do a sell limit at this price right here. So when price come back up, right, on the next candle, it'll pick you up and then you go for a sell. Okay. So one way is sell on the break. Second way is wait for price to break below. When price come back, you put a sell limit, right? Sell limit up here. And once price come back up here, it'll take you into a sell. All right. Okay, everything's good. GBCL. Okay, good. All right, awesome. So I'm gonna mark my chart here over on my big screen. Give me a second, guys. I don't have the screen for that. GBP, CHF. Okay. 2 lines, 1 line, 2 lines. Okay, so first line is going to be 1.17758. 1.17758. My second line is going to be 1.18471. 471. No, wrong one. 1.18. 1.18151. There you go. I'll make an alarm right there. Put an alarm right here. Okay, perfect. 10 pip stop loss in GPCHF. Sell 1.17. Oh, I did, didn't I? Hang on a second, guys. Let me look at this. Math is not my strong skill, right? So let's see, 1.17, 1.18, 1.18, 058, 058. So there you go, guys. Sorry about that. Good eye, right? We're all human. We make mistakes. So here we go. This should be the right one right here. There you go. Okay. Okay. All right. So we got GA, GBCHF, GBUSD, Euro, GBP. Let's look at GB and ZD quickly here. Delete this. GN is a bit big, right? Consolidation is big. That's right. That's right, bro. Okay, so GN is a little bit big, but GN pay out very, very well. Okay, GN pay out very well. Also, guys, remember, you do not have to take every single trade that I put out. Okay, you do not have to take every single trade. Okay, just go with the one that's going well. You can also take up multiple positions within that pair, right? And after GN here, I'm going to go and look at gold and US 30. I know you guys like those pair. So we're going to be doing a gold and also a US 30. Entry. Entry. So remember, on gold and indices, please, guys, use proper risk management, 0.01 per $100 your account. If you're going to be using bigger lot size, and if pull back, it can be very, very dramatic. Why am I keep double clicking that? you guys can get into a big trouble, right? So, proper risk management is how you're going to keep your account healthy, okay? All right, boom, boom. Very, very simple. Anybody can do this. And I combined the strategy from Kimberly Torres and Christopher Derrick, right? So it's not my strategy. I'm learning it from the educator we have in from our academy. So none of this is my idea, right? It's all the educators that are teaching me, and you guys have the same resources. Okay, so 1 point. Okay, so 1.99605. So it's going to be 1.99955. Okay, that's 30 pips. 1.98686. So 1.98338. Boom. Take profit right there. Okay, and our stop loss, we're going to use 30 pip stop loss. Okay. All right, so QPNCD, we're going to be looking to buy at 1.99605. Our take profit is going to be 1.99955. And our stop loss is going to be 1.99305. 305. Okay. Sell, we're going to look for sell at 1.98688. And our take profit is going to be 1.98338. The reason why I'm only giving you guys just a take profit 3 is because it saved me time from writing it out, right? You guys can easily go in there and go 10 pips or 20 pips, right? So it's subtracting and minusing. So I'm expecting you guys to be able to do that, right? It just saved me time because I want to get into the trade too, right? So the faster I can do this, the more time I can get to look into entering trade. Okay, 988. Okay, so this is going to be for GPNCD. Yeah, you can call me that, sister. Okay, there you go. GN. Let me know if you see any kind of mistake. Looks pretty good right there. So the other question is, why did I punch in 99999, right? So just imagine, like for example, like this line right here. Let's say, for example, if I'm lazy or something like that, right? I make a small zone like that. I double click on it. I go to the second price bar right here, and I just make it 999, whatever it is. By doing that, what happened is that the line will go right across. Right, the line will go right across. I don't have to go and drag it all across my screen. Same as this one here. Double click that. You can use like 1500 if you want. Right, same thing. Just pick a big number so it goes like infinite or something like that. Okay. That's right there. GPNCD. Market blue. UUD. Right, GJ. You guys like GJ, right? GJ look nice too. But let's go ahead and look at the US 30 quickly. All right, let's see what we can do here in US 30. US 30. So US 30 came out of the zone, and then now it came back into the zone here, right? So let's delete this. don't want to get stuck into this US 30, you know, so we gotta make sure it's not. Let's see. I don't know if we should trap US 30 too tight because you can get pulled into that a lot. Let's just use this wick for now. Okay. I just don't want to be, don't want to be too tight, right, with US 30 because it's very volatile, right? It's about 100 points gap right there. Oh, hang on a second, bro. All right, so we're looking at the US 30 around this price right here. Make this slip it down a little bit. All right. Just looking for a wick reaction, right? Wick reaction. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Okay, and over here, we're going to give ourselves a warning alarm right here when US 30 reach that level. And we're going to look to sell this if price can break below that. Okay, so that zone there is a little bit bigger because, this little choppy right here. I don't want to put it right there, right? I want to put it a little bit lower. If price really can go, it's going to have to really go, okay, for the US 30. Okay, so boom. Right, if I'm being lazy, I go like that, right? I'm gonna go and put the buy here first. Okay, one second, guys. Let me just move my screen over. All right, so GU, and you guys see what I mean, right? By entering it too early, right? If you enter too early, you're gonna be in a drawdown, right? So GU pull back, they all pull back. All the GBP pull back, Europe GBP pull back down. Right, so that's why when I look at the time, market hasn't opened yet. I don't really want to enter any trade, right? That's for that reason. Sometimes it go earlier, right? And it's good, but if it doesn't, then you're in trouble, right? So timing is very important. Yeah, just kind of press the button. Over more, but that button, right? Yeah. There you go. I know, it's like a reset all the time. Try to change it, but I can't take it out. So entry.
I used to call him TP Master.
She woke up in the morning, she's like, oh my goodness, everything hits. Right.
What's up, everybody? What's going on? Who here is excited to make some money with the man? It's an Anton trend.
And that's like, bonus session yesterday, right?
Yeah. Where's Rich Live TV? Say what's up, Rich Live TV. Rich Live TV on his big promotion today, Platinum 2000.
Yeah.
Guys, what's up? The sale? Yeah. Say what's up, guys. Ross? What up, Ross? I see you, baby. I see you doing big things, bro. Congrats, Ross. Where's Amanda at? Amanda on here too?
Everybody's on.
Oh, Amanda. Congrats, Amanda. Congrats, Ross. Congrats, Richard.
24.
Ooh.
Let's go for 100 points. So
So you guys are just trading for fun. You guys are just going to be trading for fun, you three.
That's too much. 24.
I might come live out in Bali for a little bit, Amanda. I might have to bring Anton. Me and Anton might have to relocate for a minute here.
Yes.
Let's
yes.
see.
What's up, Trey? Nice. Yeah. No, don't worry, Amanda. We got a big Sherman house out there too for Anton. You get him a big house in Bali. He'd have a driver and everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go for 100 points. So 277. Okay, so we're risking 100 for 100. What do you think, Bill? You think that's too much for risk or what? What, too much of a target or what? 100 points up, 100 points down, and then inside here is 100 points. So you're risking pretty much 1-to-1 trade.
No,
Is that too small?
I'd say that's pretty.
Huh? Too big?
No, I would say it's almost fair. But how many points is that from here to here? It's 100 points.
100 points in the middle,
You know, that's what Anastasia and them go for all the time.
right? 100 points. But like, how much they go for? They're going for what? 50 points?
Yeah.
Not much. They don't go for 100 points. It's a lot.
Some of them will. Yeah.
100 points?
Anastasia will go for 100 points.
In US 30?
Yeah, just 30.
All right.
Yeah, I mean that's possible, you guys. Listen, I would say I would make it an aggressive target. Make the TP2 and make the TP1. I would, if you want, you guys give people two targets on there.
Okay. So let's say, for example, if you guys want to go for TP, let's make that TP1 2, okay? TP2 and TP2 here.
I got over 400 pips on US 30 today. Damn.
Yeah,
Damn, Frankie.
lots. Yesterday was
Boy.
huge. Okay, so let's give this one 50 pips on TP1. So 24,
Good for you, Frankie.
24, 5, 3, 7.
Shrouds, I lost a lot from yesterday.
What happened?
Who
Who lost a lot yesterday? Everything I showed you guys earlier.
lost a lot?
I showed you guys earlier. If you guys did it right, you should not take a loss, right? 24, 3, 2, 7. TP1. Okay, so US 30, I'll give you guys more than just one TP. Okay, so US 30, I'm gonna give you guys US 30 here. Where's US 30? Right here. Okay, so US 30, May 20th. Oops, what happened?
Is either a GUSD doing anything?
GBP USD sell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are looking to buy US 30 at
No, it's going
24487.
up right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
But it could
and
be just
our
retesting.
first take profit is
Oh,
going to
okay.
be 24.
Okay, thank you.
537. Okay, that's 50 points.
Been coming down this whole
And
time.
our take profit 2 is 24587. And that's 100 points. Okay. And stop loss. Okay, stop loss is 100 points. So remember, 0.01 per $100 in your account. So stop loss is going to be at the opposite end of entry. So let's go with 24406. Okay, 24406. Okay, big stop loss. Okay. And we're looking to sell entry at 24377, 24377, and our first take profit is going to be 24327. That's 50 points. And our take profit 2 is going to be 24277. And our stop loss is going to be 24477. Okay, 24477. So 100 points, right, guys? Okay. Is it? Screen's on fire with smoke. I forgot to turn off my camera, guys. I'm gonna turn off my camera just for that. But you guys can see my screen. That should be good enough. Okay.
That's too good.
All right. So I'm gonna send you guys this list right now.
I missed that.
Is that Leah talking over there?
Good.
And if he's calm?
Yeah, it's Leah. She's probably on my phone. And
There you go, guys. Remember 0.01 per $1,000 in your account, please. Okay. Do not over leverage on US 30. You're gonna get killed. All right. Boom. US 30. Let's pop that in there. Nah, screw GR 30. All right.
yeah, what? I'm turning GR 30.
I did yesterday. Yeah. Gold's dropping already. Gold's probably gonna keep on dropping. We'll see. Not much of a direction, right? We can't really trap this, right? So, like, what we're gonna do? We can't really trap this. It's too big, right? So we're gonna skip gold. Screw gold. Let's not do gold. So I think that's good enough right here. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. GCAT, maybe GCAT. Let's check GCAT out. Okay, GCAT's on downtrend. Right? GCAT's on downtrend, you guys. You can probably move all back here, but no, can't do that. And let's measure GCAT. All right, not bad, not bad. We can do GCAT also. Okay, GCAT. GCAT. All right, GCAT, let's measure it. 36 pips. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Okay, let's move up a little bit. Nothing is moving yet. Nothing's moving yet. Okay, it's only 11:22. Still very early. We can get all of this done before the real move of the market, right? So the important thing is to get your setup done, and then you can sit there and you can monitor it. Alarm clock. Eugenia is one away from P150, bro.
What? Eugenia.
150.
Oh, wow. I thought it was getting close.
5 away from Platinum 600 for Eugenia.
What?
There you go. Do you use the price trap in New York session? Yep. All you gotta do is move the trap, right? You move the trap and you retrap it again for the New York session. All right, GCAT. Let's make GCAT right here. Boom, boom. Let's go with GCAT. Let me see how many pips my GCAT is in my spread. And Kathy is crazy trading, bro. You gotta see her.
Kathy?
Yeah.
She's nuts.
Yeah, she's pretty good. What's my thing right here? GPCAT is 3 pips spread. Okay, so boom, boom. 1.70, 5, 5-2. 5-5-2. Big profit.
What's the best pairs to shop in the New York session?
What's the pair to trap for New York session? Any pair that's paired with the US dollar. Right? You're trading the US dollar, right? So any pair that pair with the US dollar. GA also move well, and also GN also move well. Move well as well for the New York session. 6, 9, 3, 5, 4 plus 3 minus 3, so 7, 7. Okay, so let's see if I do the math correctly. Okay, perfect. Oops. There you go. Perfect, guys. That's what we're looking for. GCAT. Okay, so GBP CAT. I gotta change those. What's my G? Okay, so GCAT.
Let's come all the way back.
Your turn, so.
I'm looking at that.
See, you didn't believe I'm in the blue. In the blue.
Well, no,
You didn't believe.
I'm not quite that far yet.
Oh, I'm in
Okay,
the
well,
blue.
you know that GBUSD came back down, guys. GBUSD came back down.
That's it.
All right.
In the-
So if you got
in
into
the cell.
GBUSD earlier, you should be at entry right now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, it's on GBP CAT. 1.70222. GP is 1.70552. Stop loss. It's going to be 1.69865. 865. This one's a little bit bigger than 30 pips, but just a little bit bigger, not too big, not too much bigger. 1.69807, and take profit is going to be 1.69477, and our stop loss is going to be 1.70172. Very cool. There you go.
So close. It's only down 3 and it's stuck.
You want to do GJ? Okay, I'll just set up you GJ as well. There you go. That's GCAT.
Euro USD is
GCAT is
falling
coming
hard.
down as well. Okay, let's do GJ. Let's GJ's up here. Boom.
Are you calling Euro or USD?
It's falling hard. Kind of thinking about it. Wish I called it a little earlier. It's just going hard down.
All right. Your GBP is coming up. Pips. GJ, this is GJ right here. Mr. GJ. You guys remember Mr. GJ?
Yeah.
Shunik, do you know Mr. GJ in Bahamas? EU is falling hard. Let me see. EU, it's okay. It's not. Are you looking at 15 minutes?
5 minutes.
It doesn't move yet. Nothing much yet. Which funny. It's moving hard. It's okay. It's coming. It's coming though, but not big movement yet. Yeah, GU and GJ are very similar. I love it, Rich, when you're like, look at that, it's falling hard. I love it though. Yeah, I'm more of a long-term trader, like not long-term, but like intraday, right? So I'm looking for a big move, right? A big move like 50 pips, 30, at least 30, right? At least 30 pips. So even if as I'm talking and price like going to a buy, I'm not worried. What I do is, let's say for example, if this price went up into a buy as I'm talking, I didn't see it, right? All I'm doing is I'm okay, fine. I'm gonna wait for you right here. I'm gonna wait for you here or here, one of these two lines. So what I do is do a buy limit here, buy limit here. When price come back and retest, it's gonna pick me up. But if it doesn't come back and retest, I'll just let it go. Okay, I'll just let it go. Right? I'm not gonna get panic and enter a trade right away. I want to see price break above. Right when price break above, I put a sell limit here, a sell limit here, and when price come back down, pick me up into a buy. Right? So that's how you want to get the best entry. You want to get the entry either on the first line here or the second line here. One of these two lines. Okay. So that's another way you guys can do if you guys want to do like a sell limit or a buy limit or a buy stop and sell stop, right? All those different strategy is for certain techniques that you're doing, right? So because a lot of time if you waiting to do that market execution, sometimes it's a little bit tough. Right? Sometimes a little bit tough because you don't know if you should press it or what.
Tommy
You're doubting yourself, right? If you have a game plan, if you have a plan and the plan play exactly the way you want, you take the trade, right? You take the trade. The worst can happen is that, okay, my plan failed. I lost 3 to 5%, all right, or 3%, whatever it is, right? Whatever you're risking, okay. If you don't take the trade, you'll never be able to trade. Simple as that. Okay, there you go. So Shunit know Mr. GJ. I used to learn to trade when I first started, also from Mr. GJ as well. Him and what's that guy's name? It's another guy there.
Kelly blew so many people's accounts. I got loan people's accounts like left, right, and center.
I can't remember what the other guy's name is, but he also helped out Mr. GJ as well.
Jamal Green.
Jamal?
Yeah, he's on our team. Jamal Green's a good trader, you guys. He's in Legacy.
GJ is about 2 pips. Okay, so 131.747. Right, so you guys see that price is like making, look at this, guys. This is ceiling, this is floor, right? Ceiling, floor, ceiling, floor, ceiling, floor, right? So now if price gonna go up, right? If price gonna reverse, it's gonna be floor, ceiling, right? It's gonna reverse. But if it doesn't reverse, then it's gonna go floor, ceiling, and then floor, ceiling, and then floor, right? A breakthrough into the sell. So that's the concept of momentum trading, right? price will go up, go down, go up, go down, right? Whichever way it goes. If it's going to keep going down this way, then you know it's a downtrend. If it's going to reverse, then you know it's going to reverse when price is making a higher high than this, right? If price is going to make a higher high than this, then we know that price is reversing, right? Into a buy. Jamal Green, there you go, yeah. 131.805. Huh?
You're close.
Close.
UPJPY, we are looking to buy at 131.427, and our take profit is going to be 131.747. Okay, and our stop loss is going to be. I'm just going to double check this quickly. Okay, we can use that. Our stop loss for the buy is going to be 131.125. Oops. Okay. And our sell entry is going to be 131.125. And our take profit is going to be 130.805. Okay. Stop loss is going to be 131.427. Okay. Oops. Okay. All right. So if I missed any of you guys' questions, just give me a second. Let me finish everything here, and then we can shoot away with questions. Let's just do all the setup on my chart here so we can see. All right. Move this thing over here. All right. GBCHF is looking like it's going to come down. All right. And EUR GBP looking like it's going to go up. So let's wait and see here. Let's go and let's see what else we can use. That's it. Euro USD. Let me see Euro USD. 11:37. Still a lot of time, right? It's still another, 20 minutes before London session open. Okay. So I'm not in any trade right now, you guys. I'm gonna wait a little bit until I finish all my charts. Okay, 16 pip stop loss, if anything, so pretty good. So let me see here, USD.
You can take GBP CHF for a sell.
GSHF?
Yeah, GBP CHF.
So, okay.
Yeah.
So hold on to your question and just write them down, right? Write them down, and then once I'm done, we can go and we can tackle those questions, okay? Because I'm right now I'm a little bit, really focusing on, doing these setups, and sometimes I don't see your questions, right? So please don't get mad at me. I just didn't see it. Okay, guys? Okay, it's just repetitive, right? Every single day I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just trapping the price. Oops. I can turn my camera back on also. There you go. The USD is about 1 pip, 1.09, 1.10, 1.10, 1.10, 0.12, 0.12, 0.12, 0.22, 1.10, 1.10, 1.1, 0.22. 1.09160, 1.160. All right, 15 minutes roughly. So this is going to be the last pair we're going to look at. Stop loss 1.09470. Okay, and our sell entry is going to be 1.09470. Take profit is going to be 1.09160, and our stop loss is going to be 1.09712. All right, so that's going to be EUR USD. All right, so this is the last pair we're going to look at, you guys. After that, we're going to be looking at some trades because the market is about to open, and I want to make money as well. So I'm done with the setups, and honestly, my goal is to catch 50 pips. If you can catch 50 pips a day and then keep on moving your lot size up, that's all you really need. Okay. So here's GJ, you guys. This is GJ setup right here. If you missed it, it's going to a buy right now. But don't let it fake you out, right? Make sure that it's going to be crossing it. Okay. If you're going to enter on a break, make sure that this price crossing it. And if you enter on a retest, wait for the price to break above, closes above, and then you will do a sell limit, okay, at entry. Then that will take you to a buy. But keep in mind that sometimes price do go and just take off, and there's no retest either.
It's calling it
so
GJ
there are
buy.
scenarios like that. That's why people like to do buy stop and sell stop.
GJ
right?
buy.
So there's different strategy that you can do. You can do a buy stop here, and you can do a sell stop here,
That one
right?
that you
If
were
price
talking about,
shoots
that
up, it's gonna
TL?
pick you up.
It's up 50
Or you want to
cents
wait
today.
for a price to break above,
Which one?
it closes
TL,
above,
is
and
that-
then
Oh yeah, no,
do
I
a buy
know.
limit from here to go up, right? So there's many different options that you guys can do. Okay. So the first option, buy on the break. Sometimes you buy on the break. What happens is that price retests right back again, right at the resistance, right, and then you get into a drawdown. So that could be some scenario like that also, right? And US 30. Let's check US 30 quickly. Let's go to a sell.
Oh,
USD,
GBP,
let's mark that.
JPY buy is already in
Okay,
profit.
Euro CAD, nothing.
Oh,
USD.
it's not.
What's for me?
No setup for that one. All right, so I'm gonna go to my blue list.
You did say buy on that, right? GJ?
And I don't know why I have NZUSD on there for. Let's close that one. EU JPY. Close that one. DJ, GCAD, EG, GA, GSHAP, GN, GCAD. I have two GCAD in there. Close that one. GJ, close that one. UGP. Okay. GPUSD. GPUD, GPCHF, GPNZD, GPCAD,
Not in profit in GBP, JPY.
DJ, EUUSD,
I don't
and
have
US
profit
dollar.
on anything.
Perfect. Okay, awesome. All right, let me see any question. Now I'm gonna read the question again.
Well, I've
So-
done 3 Gs and they're all in the red.
Okay, let me see. So let's see. Is there a pip count I can show you?
It's early.
Show?
Oh my God, it is. It's almost midnight.
Is there a pip count?
No, I know, but
a
the
pip
night has
counter that
the
can
market
show
hasn't even moved.
your current
Not
pip
open
count
yet.
or current pip counter in TradingView? Yeah. So if you wanna use the measurement right here on the left hand side, there's a measure tool right here, right? So once you click on that, you can select wherever you want to measure, right? Let's say for example, I want to measure this red candle right here. That red candle right there is about 53 US 30, so 53 points, okay? 53 points, that little candle, all right? So let's say, for example, we're doing a currency pair, okay? A currency pair, you can measure it. Let's say you want to measure from here to let's say from here to here. That's 7 pips, okay? You see right here, 7 pips. And you can see right here where the pip count is calculated from. Another question is, how do you know where to place your price trap in certain pair? It's just by experience, right? For me, I go for high price and low price, right? High price and low price. That's how I trap it, right? And when I'm trapping it, I'm giving myself 30, 35 pips room because I'm willing to risk, 30 pips. Right, I'm willing to risk 30 pips for if it's going to go to a buy, right? I want to catch that buy, right? So the pip count here in between, I want to look for something consolidating or showing a price reaction. Look at that, right? Price was here, it came up to here, it rejected, came back down to here, came back up here. Even though yes, it made a higher high, but then it's still showing me okay, well, it's some sort of resistance right there. So now that's why now I go and I measure it, right? I go and I measure it. If it's like 30 pips, around 30 pips, I'm willing to take that risk, right? I'm willing to take this investment right here, okay? Because I don't know if it's going to keep going up or it's going to be a switch of momentum, right? Nobody knows that. Some people always think they know it, but they don't, right? By the time they take a trade, and the trade go against them, right? So same thing as us, we don't know which way it's going either, but we're going to rely on the candles. We're going to rely on the candles to tell us which way the price is going. So for the price to be going into a buy or continuation of an uptrend, because you can see that the price, kind of like plateau right here, and then now it's starting to go up. Keep in mind that this is the 1 hour chart, right? 1 hour chart.
Are you in the blue now?
It's very close
GBP,
in.
JPY?
Even here, you can see price is going up, right? Price is still an overall uptrend for GU or GBP. right? Overall uptrend. Okay, so now I can continue. I can expect the price to go into a buy. Yes, I can, but sometimes price do like one of these pullback, right? It goes up and then it pulls back all the way down, right? All the way down to like almost a previous low here. So that's why we have a buy zone and we have a sell zone. You can hit both way. If the trade going to go to a buy, then we want to wait for price. Like this one right here. You guys see that price went up, came back down, retest, right? Retest again, came back up, right? And then price came back down to retest this previous high. So now if price gonna go back up, it's gonna come back down and retest this previous high again, if it's gonna be a continuation of an uptrend. Okay? Right? Like that. Okay, exact same thing as here, right? If price is doing this, then it's just sideways. It's a sideways like going. Okay? Okay, does it make sense? Yeah, you can also use over here, also use price range. Price range, exact same thing, right? You see there 30 pips, 30 pips right there, URGP, right? Okay. Let's see. What is there? But is there one we can use during the current trade in lifetime? Well, this is live right now. This is live right now. The chart is moving. This is live right now. You can measure it. Okay. On your trading, on your MT4, you mean on your trade, you have to calculate that, right? Because they're not going to tell you how many pips. So you got to calculate that, how many pips you are. There's a program out there that you can do for it, but I don't know the program where you calculate the pip move from wherever you set it to current price, but I don't have it. Okay. How do you know? Okay, do the NZD and GBP pair relate to each other at all? I'm currently in a trade for NZD JPY and NZD USD for a sell and in 10 pips in profit. I don't trade NZD, so I'm not too sure if it's related to the pound or not. I'm more of a GBP trader, GBP pound trader, and a Euro EUR trader. I don't trade NZ much. I trade the pound and I trade the euro. Okay. Thanks. How and where do you set your alarm? Okay. So I set my alarm. Did I set alarm for this one here? So you guys see here, I set my alarm on the first price, on the first line, right? If I'm buying, I set my alarm here because now it gives me time to go look at my phone or look at my charts. But my real entry for a buy, if I do a buy stop, it's going to be up here, right? Even a buy limit is also going to be up here as well, right? Price go up, came back down. I want price to come back down and retest this level again, right? So I do the alarm clock down here, okay? I do a alarm clock down here on the first line for a buy, and I do my first line here for a sell, right? Because the real entry is going to be down here on the outside line, right? The inside line is just to give me warnings, okay? Marsha, please never start a live account, master demo first. Oh, what happened there? How and where do you, just starting out and I have a small account, is it better to do 2 trades in half of your stop loss for each trade or focus on 1 trade? I would just focus on 1 trade at a time if you have a small account, right? Just focus on 1 account. I mean, one pair, right? Trying to get that, move your stop loss into profit. Once you move your stop loss in profit, now you can look for more trades, okay? All right, GJ making some moves. Okay, let's check GJ. All right. So remember, GJ, if you enter on a buy stop, then you went to profit and then price came back, right? For me, what I do is I would wait a little bit and see. This is still 5 minutes left in the candle. Let's go check the currency strength meter. Okay, GBP, JPY, they both weak in strength, so maybe wait a little bit and see if the momentum, the strength can change. GBP USD, let's go check GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD is still a pullback. Okay, So I would wait a little bit, maybe another 6 minutes, and see, right? Remember, price will never, not never, but price is not going to just go like one candle way up here, right? So look at here, even on a downtrend, right? Even on a downtrend, price came down, come back to retest. Price come down, come back to retest. Price come down, come back halfway to retest, right? So there's always going to be timing this, discipline, right? Waiting for your moment is the best thing, my advice would give, that I can give to you guys. You set the trap, now you just gotta wait for it. Okay, wait for it to do something, right? Okay. Right, this is the previous low, right? So this is the floor. This is the old floor, right? This is the lower low, right? Lower low, right? This is the higher low, which is the floor. Which is the floor here, and this is the ceiling, right? So now for this price to break the old floor, it has to break the ceiling of the current price. So right now you see this is the current ceiling right now. So once price break above the ceiling, that means that okay, now price is reversing, right? If price showing you that okay, now price retesting this area, okay, now price is going to go into a buy, right? It's very, very simple. Okay. So let's see, GJ making move up. Let's check the pair, the same strength still. Okay, I'll wait for a little bit. You need a pro account for alarm. Yes, you do. You need a pro account for alarm clock. Okay, I'm gonna go and check my Euro GPP here. Let me see what's going on here. Euro GBP, nothing there. Euro USD is popping up. Okay. Okay, guys, remember, okay, if price can go and into any zone here, right, you can always move your stop loss and profit, take the profit at 10 pips, take the profit at 20 pips, take the profit at, whatever amount of pips that you want to accomplish in one day of trading, right? So your goal is to catch as many pips as you can, or a minimum of X amount of pips that you set yourself goals for a day, right? If my goal is 50 pips a day, I want to accomplish 50 pips a day. So I'm gonna pick and choose and jump into the right trade, right? You know what I mean? So don't get into every single trade. If you do, most of the time you're gonna end up losing, right? Because you can't manage it all, and it can get very, very overwhelming. Okay. So if you guys if I miss anyone else's question, let me know. So far, that's the last question that I see. Yeah, exactly. I'm just looking at the trades right now and see. So you guys have all the setups. Now all we gotta do is relax, chill, and wait and see what we can do, which trade we can get in, and stuff like that. Okay. So I can see UGP is going up, GBP USD is going up, GA consolidating, GCHF, nothing, GN. Okay. So pretty much everything is going up, right? Right now, everything is going up. It could be, just a market manipulation right now, right? The market's going to open in about a few minutes here. And that's the thing about this chat, and you can't really when people first join, they can't really see the old chat. No, I'm not in any trade yet, bro, not yet. Right, and you guys see there, right? Look at GU, right? That's why I do not enter too early. Okay, I'll wait for it. Right, look at the pullback, right? Because the real move is when the market open, right? The London session market open. unless unless there's some crazy news that came out and it moves the market ahead of time. But even that, right? If I missed it, I missed it. What can I do? I believe GBP Jeff is going to go to a sell. That's just my belief.
Well, we got that.
But we don't assume, right? When we trade, we do not
Nice and
assume
early
what's
now.
going to happen or what should happen.
Come on, you
We have to take the trade the way it play out, the way we want.
But
We
it's
plan
early.
it, right? And not assuming ahead of time, not predicting, right? Do not predict. On my style MT4 is just let me use sell stop or buy stop. On my style MT4, what does that mean? I can't. It's just me to use. Not sure what the question is.
It's too funny.
You can use buy limit or sell limit. Buy limit or sell limit, you have to wait for price to break out first, and then you do a buy limit or a sell limit. You can't use a buy limit or sell limit when price hasn't passed the entry yet. You can't do a buy. You can't do it. Which pair are you trying to do? Well, US 30 is breaking, you guys. US 30 is breaking right now. All right, I'm gonna check everything here. GU is coming down. GJ is coming down. EU at GBP is coming up. GBP AUD is coming up. All right, US 30 is coming down. Let's see, news. News is in 15 minutes. Okay, so we can see some major move here, right? So we gotta keep your eyes sharp, okay? US 30 coming down. So if you got into a sell stop there, you would be in profit already. Okay, let's put gold up here, XAU USD. Gold is breaking back up. USD coming back down. GP, JPY. See. All right, pounds weak. Pounds still weak. Euro strong. USD strong. Let's check GJ. GJ looking. Let's see what GJ is doing here. Okay. Right. So if for example, for a buy limit, right? A buy limit. This is a scenario here for buy limit. When price came up, broke above, you want to do a buy limit right here. So on the next candle, when the price come back down, the retest will pick you up at the line you want, right? I think GJ is gonna go up here. You can't do a buy limit when price is down here, right? You want to do a buy limit when price break above, right? And you do a buy limit when price come back down, pick you up, get into a buy, right? I'm missing this one too. GJ is going up. Okay. See what happened, guys? We just missed it. We missed up. This is the retest right here, right? It's okay. Let's wait for it. We can do like a buy limit, right? Buy limit. And do a buy limit right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do a buy limit for GJ. 131.427. Take profit. Did anybody got into GJ right off the gate? Anybody? Oh, my phone died. My goodness. All right, good. So if you haven't gotten to a buy yet, right, what you can do is you can do a buy limit at the line here, at the buy entry. All right, buy limit at the buy entry, and then you put in your take profit and your stop loss. It's very simple, right? Okay, so if price gone and you want the price to come back and get you, you know, like this, then you're putting a buy limit here, right? Okay, my phone just died, so I can't enter this trade right now. My goodness. Okay, EUR GBP is breaking to a buy as well, so let's look at that one here. Just wait for the phone to get charged.
Did he say EUR GBP buy?
All right, so EUR GB is going to a buy.
Yeah.
GU is coming, just dropping down, same as UBCHF. Okay, I'm just waiting for my phone to get some juice here so I can put the trades in. All right. Okay, GBCHF, like I said, right? I believe GBCHF is going to go into a sell. That's my belief. You know, obviously I could be wrong as well, right? So, but with the way it looks, I honestly think it's going to go into a sell. And GN's come back down. GCAT, GJ.
GJ is blue.
GJ looking like it's going to go up. GJ, GCAT. Euro USD. Anybody got into a buy for Euro USD? Okay, it's no problem, right? For me, if I missed it, I'm waiting for it to come back and pick me up. That's all I'm doing.
Did you do a buy on Euro USD?
I haven't, no.
Yeah, you can buy it.
Okay.
It's flying. I got lots of blue here. I already sold my GJ.
All right.
Is that Euro USD?
Okay, so you guys see EUR GP is going to a buy, right? So look
Yeah.
what happened to GP USD, right? GP USD is coming back down. Okay. Same as GP CHF. Okay. But remember, news is coming out, right? So I would just, you know, I would just wait a little bit and see, you know, wait a little bit and see where price is going to go, right? Don't rush into the trade too fast, especially when we know that there's news coming out very soon, right? News coming out in about 8 minutes, right? 8 minutes. We have a lot of news for the euro pair, okay? A lot of news. Yeah. No rush, right? Remember, I'm looking at 1 hour here, right? So if you zoom in, you'll see price move a lot more. If you zoom in 1 minute or 5 minute, price moves very, very fast, right? But on a 1 hour chart, I'm looking at bigger picture, right? So me, I'm gonna wait a little bit. My phone is still charging. GBAUD is also dropping down. Okay. Let's check the pound here. Pound's still very weak. Everything else is pretty weak as well, besides the US dollar and the euro. So the pound, all the pounds should be dropping. And the Euro GP should buy, yeah. GA, G-Chef, GN. GN should be a nice big drop as well. Okay. Let's check the US 30. US 30 is pulled back. Gold. USD. See that, guys? Every price always gonna come back. Just wait for it to close. For example, this one right here, it closes above, right? So if price continue to retest a new floor, then we can look to buy GP, JPY into a buy, right? If price gonna keep on retesting this level right here.
Only got one blue.
All right, guys, we're gonna close this up for the night. Thank you guys for watching.
Just wait for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's see what's gonna happen. But you guys are welcome to enter on a break, right? For whoever enter on a break, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong with entering on a break, right? I used to do a lot of entering on the break. Right when the price break, I'm entering it, right? But I know